Teledyne FLIR Defense has been awarded a contract worth up to $91 million to supply the U.S. Army with its Black Hornet 4 Nano unmanned aerial systems. The Black Hornet 4 features increased endurance, allowing the system to operate for 35 minutes and higher altitude capability reaching up to 20,000 feet. The drone's speed has also increased to 36 km per hour, making it more adaptable to challenging environments. India has quietly launched its fourth indigenously built nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine. The newly launched SSBN is code-named S-4 Star, and can launch nuclear-tipped missiles. The U.S. government is investigating an unauthorized release of classified documents detailing Israel's plans for a potential military strike on Iran. The leaked documents, marked as top secret, indicate that Israel has been repositioning military assets, possibly in preparation for a retaliatory strike on Iran. Turkish company Makine ve Kimya Endüstrisi presented its new Gürhan 155mm self-propelled howitzer, featuring combination of a diesel engine and electric motor. The Gürhan's hybrid system incorporates an electric engine powered by batteries that can be charged either by a diesel generator or independently in 4 hours. Also, the howitzer is capable of firing precision-guided munitions equipped with Roketsan's inertial guidance kit.